Sorry guys, I forgot to start the video, but I got a trade that I've just started. So let's just show you how it's doing. Basically, it's gonna, I've got some of this PHB and it's on Binance. It's gonna buy Bitcoin with that or exchange it for Bitcoin. And then there's no withdrawing with this again. It's a real arbitrage. And then what's gonna happen after the first part of the trade's complete, it will then, with some Bitcoin on HitBTC, buy some PHB, and I'll end up with more than what I started with. At the moment, the trade is pending. Okay, so it's just setting things up. If you hover your mouse over there, it says pending. Okay, so what we want is this first number to go to a paley green, then it will go dark blue, and then the robot will move on to the second part of the trade. So let's just see how that's doing. So you can see now it's started the first part of the trade, and that's obviously in the order book, and we're just waiting for that to execute, and then as soon as that goes to dark blue, then the robot, as I say, will move on to the second part of the trade. There is a timer here that counts down from 2 minutes, and as I've said in previous videos, you don't have to wait for that timer to run down. You can just click this. You see the first part's complete now. Timer's going to run out any second. We get that pop up, refresh the screen. Now what's happening is the robot's going to move on to part 2. And as you can see, it's already placed the order over on HitBTC. So hopefully this trade will finish in a moment. And these videos are live, okay? And I don't cut them down on the time. I'm going to leave it completely open. So some parts will be a bit boring, but you'll see that a trade is done in minutes. Still on that second part. I found with HitBTC, they're filling the orders on some coins takes a little bit longer than other exchanges. But as you can see, we're now coming up to, we're in the second 2 minutes. We've done 2 minutes already, and we're in the second 2 minutes. And as I say, if you don't want to wait for the clock and you want to see how things are doing, you can click on this blue button there. And what that will do is bring up this pop-up and show you the trade. Now you can see that that's gone from that bluey green to the white. Now what that did is it probably placed the trade, and it had to, you know, the trade's hanging around. Okay, so what the robot's doing is checking to make sure it doesn't have to cancel the trade and have to ask you to restart it. And you see it's gone that bluey green again, so the robot is on track for finishing the order. We'll refresh the screen, and as you see, it says they're 89.8% done, because HitBTC tends to hang around a little bit longer than other exchanges. But we're now entering into another 2 minutes, so that's 4 minutes have elapsed, and we're into the next 2 minutes. And of course, you don't have to wait for this. You can go and do other trades, start other trades. I only hang around because I want to record it on video. So the trade's complete now. So that's about 5 minutes has passed. So all I'm going to do now is close this pop-up and refresh the screen. And there we go, another successful trade, 3.4%. How fantastic is that? Now, if you want to make trades like the one I just did, You can come and join us here at Johnny Blockchain. So if you go over to johnnyblockchain.com, the link's in the description. And once you're on this page, you can actually set up a 14-day free trial. So you'll get access to all of our arbitrage and all of our portfolio management and our trading system for 14 days completely free. And we'll also give you some free trading credits so that you can start trading straight away once you've connected your exchanges. Obviously, to join for free, just click on this button. You'll get this pop up, and then from this drop down menu, make sure you choose the starter account. Create your free account today, and I'll speak to you in another video. You have an amazing day and happy trading.